sunny day. Oh, lovely. Gorgeous. Good morning, everybody. So today I have a lot of work to do. We're going to be doing the grapevines, so that's where most of our grapes are, obviously. So we're going to be doing that with my dad, trimming the vines and just preparing them and stuff. And we'll show you how we do it. Gorgeous flower. Look at all this lovely bamboo that we have. Meglio freddo? Meglio del freddo?
Caldo.
Okay guys, so my dad is just cutting the vines, and as you can see, you can see how, these are my age. They're like 33 years old, these vines. So he's just cutting all the old ones, and it's going to have better growth. And in the meanwhile, I am going to do this. I'm going to use my, remember these the other day in another video? We also use them to tie the vines up. It's a more ecological way, nicer. We don't like plastic here. So I'm gonna start basically, I'll show you. I'm gonna start tying these vines to the wire or to the stakes that we've put in the ground. And that's how we're gonna do it. I'll show you what I do. Well, good morning to you. Good morning. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, everybody. I'm basically tying the willow to the vines. So these are the old ones, but you can see they actually managed to, stay in pretty okay condition for a year outside in the sun, rain and snow and everything. So, but we change them every year. So that's the thing. So I'm going to have to tie a new one here, tie this one to here, because the weight of the grapes obviously is going to pull down these vines. So that's why they're secured basically. And Fonzie, of course, has found another hole. To Jamaica this time. I have to do, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 rows of grapes to do, okay? This is not you can do this all in a day, because it's going to get a bit repetitive. You know what I'm like? I just don't like repetitive jobs. But basically, to make it a bit quicker, we're putting the old vines in here. No, you're not. We just leave them on the ground. Not doing that today. And I just wanted to remind everyone that, I grew up in the city of Glasgow in Scotland. And what is he barking at? I had no idea how to do this kind of stuff at all. I didn't have a clue about gardening. I didn't have a clue about growing food, and especially about growing grapes and stuff. So with time, I really think anyone can learn any skill. And if you're going to learn a skill that's as valuable as growing food, go for it, because it's just so rewarding. Shut up! So annoying. It's so rewarding just to be able to say, I grew this. And actually eat something that's completely organic and healthy. So I just wanted to show you as well that last year, I think it was last year, I had also planted some baby pomegranate trees. And here we go. They were like that before, now they're a little bit like that, but they're okay. It's gonna take a while. Just want to see if other ones are okay. Yeah, they're all still alive, how nice. Hello, my little baby pomegranate tree. Maybe in 10 years it'll be big. Who knows? Anywho, back to the grape. Right, you can actually see, can you see them behind me, all the grapevines? Da da da. It was my granddad that planted these back in 87, the year of my birth. So, okay, I'm going to continue doing this. It's fun, I promise. No, Fonzie, no. So Dad is just actually using the bigger ones he just collected to tie around the stakes. Sì. Tu stai... Questa è la videocamera, tu puoi parlare là.
Ma potè.
È fantastico! Domenica l'ho comprato come regalo. So we did 2 hours I think, and we managed to do 3 rows. 3 rows, yeah. So we'll try to finish the rest in the afternoon today. But it's a slow process. It's very slow. Piano piano, as they say in Italian. Piano piano.